Ndevono, hello, no, welcome. Ahambo Ifi Yokiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I'm so excited to continue with our POH Student Spotlight series. Today's spotlight is on Frances Awim from Lagos. Here she comes.
Ọnụ ụtụtụ ọma, aha m bụ Frances. Adị m afọ asatọ. I am going to be telling you body parts in Igbo. Obi, chest or heart. Afọ, stomach. Ukwu, leg. Ire, tongue. Ntị, ear. And isi, head. Ihu, face. Gali, keresia.